a solar powered battery charger right there in the back of the car. I haven't started the car in 3 weeks. We're going to see what happens here. Here's the charger. It goes back here all the way to the back to where the charger is, sitting on the very back. I've stripped this car out. You do have to take this out before starting the car because it could short out your battery connection. Oh my God, the thing starts up and hadn't started up. I haven't started it in 3 weeks. It starts up without a hitch. Have you ever had a car that just sits? That battery will not start that car if you have it sitting for 3 weeks and haven't started it. I'll send you the details, so if you want to buy one for your car or truck,